Since its inception in 2004, Orange County Medical Group has succeeded not only in providing world-class treatment in the areas of orthopedics, pain management, spine treatment and surgery, and neurology, but also in creating a comfortable and supportive patient experience.
When I first walked in the office, I saw the ambiance of the room, the floors, and how nice and neat it was. And the receptionist was very polite, and they made me feel even more comfortable than I already was.
They made me feel really comfortable the very first visit that I was there. I really basically wasn't nervous at all when I went in there. The receptionists were just awesome when I walked in. They made me feel very welcome.
From the minute I walked in the door, I knew I was going to find the answer here. I really did. It was very peaceful, very serene, and I just knew that I had come to the right place. The next step was meeting the doctor.
We believe there's more to medical treatment than just treating your condition. It's also about your dignity, your fears and concerns, and ensuring yours and your loved ones' comfort and confidence by taking time to explain your options.
When you're coming to do something like this or interview someone about this, you're terrified, you're scared, you're putting your life into someone else's hands. But then when you're finally confronted with, you have to have surgery, and then when you ask and you calm down and you start asking about the process and what's going to happen, it's huge. It's really huge. And what was very calming to me was Dr. Coufal's bedside manner. His whole demeanor is just, it's very calming. You walk out and you go, what am I doing here? And then you look at him and you go, I'm in the best hands possible.
Our team has one overall mission: to ensure that each and every one of you receives exceptional patient care with successful clinical outcomes. Our success in that mission begins with our expert staff and our team of world-class doctors. You couldn't be in better hands than Orange County Medical Group.
We work really hard at focusing on patient care and making sure that every patient is treated with respect and dignity. For us, it's really about our parents, treating every person like we want our mom and dad treated. So we start with an exceptional group of doctors. We have world-renowned doctors at this office who very few people really know about, but every one of us would allow our parents to be treated by every one of them.
A friend of mine referred me to the group, which was, a blessing. It was probably the best day of my life, finding out about the group and Dr. Coufal.
I've had an exciting 11 years in neurosurgical practice, which has encompassed all areas of neurosurgery. I treat both complex conditions of the spine as well as all aspects of brain surgery. I believe that having that diversity allows me to grow as a surgeon in all phases of my practice. I am, of course, the most pleased by my successful outcomes that I've had over the years.
I was told that I had 2 ruptured discs and that I needed a fusion, actually, in different sections, and it kind of really was relief to me as far as why I had been in such pain, such excruciating pain. I came from such a place of where I could not get out of bed to sitting here and being able to say how grateful I am. I am looking forward to so much, to just having my life back. The fact that I can put on my high heels again is amazing. So I'm looking forward to living.
One's personal practice is always made better when you're working with experts from other subspecialties that are at the forefront of their particular subspecialties. It allows you to stay at the cutting edge in managing these very difficult problems.
My name is Howard Rosen. I'm an MD for Orange County Medical Group. I'm the medical director. I started off doing just anesthesia and some pain management. And about 10 years ago, I wanted to do just pain management by itself. I like to specialize in getting rid of pain, not maintaining it, but I think people are best off if you can get rid of their pain.
Since 1998, when my injury occurred, I've pretty much been, until recently, in pain pretty much in varying degrees all the time, 24/7. After my surgery, my surgeon recommended that I see Dr. Rosen because he was one of the leading pain management doctors around here.
I think when people come to me, these are the kind of people that are looking to get better. I've gone to Honduras, I've been to the Philippines, I've been across the United States, so I've been able to look at a lot of different techniques. I'm also a chronic pain patient myself. I was in a car accident from a whiplash injury. I'm able to improve my condition, and by understanding what chronic pain is and the fact that I've been able to make myself better helps me give more compassion and to understand where the patients are coming from.
What happened, I went through a china glass, a cabinet, and my hand went inside, and I broke all the glass. When I pulled my hand out, my hand actually was hanging the opposite way. My biggest fears, it was losing my hand. I got introduced to Dr. Bayat when I wasn't pretty much ready to go to surgery. He pretty much introduced himself and made me feel really comfortable by talking to me, making me feel that was gonna be all right. He gave me so much confidence.
My name is Dr. Neysan Bayat. I'm a plastic surgeon. I also do hand operations on the hand, including regular injuries to the hand and regular ailments of the hand.
I found out the next day pretty much how everything went. When I woke up, I was glad to see my hand. That was my first reaction. I saw my hand there, and I thank God, I thank Dr. Bayat so much. I wanted to cry. I was just pretty much in tears. Actually, I was crying.
As a plastic surgeon, we basically see the patient as a whole. One of the mistakes that a lot of people do make is that they think that a plastic surgeon only does cosmetic surgery, but that's not the case. We basically deal with the whole patient, including wound, accidents, traumas, fractures of the face and hand injuries, chronic wounds with diabetics, and also burn, reconstruction after cancer, including breast cancer and other cancers of the body. So basically, as a whole, we treat the patient from the top of the head to the toes.
Since the surgery has been almost a month, and Dr. Bayat has been doing a great job. He actually sent me through therapy. I've been on my 7th visit, and actually I can move my fingers now. I started moving my fingers, every single one. When I went to the Orange County Medical Group to see Dr. Bayat, I felt like I saw my hero, because he's actually my hero. And it felt so good to see him. I wanted to cry when I saw him, thank him. I thank him so much. I just owe him a lot. That's how I feel. I owe him a lot.
The Orange County Medical Group is positioned to give you world-renowned expertise, elite care, and immeasurable experience with our unmatched surgical team. We're strategically located next to Anaheim Regional Medical Center.
Anaheim Regional Medical Center is a 223-bed acute care facility with all private rooms located in North Orange County, about 5 miles from Disneyland.
We offer complimentary valet parking, and our modern upscale office features a feng shui designed waiting room. Exceptional care and successful clinical outcomes. It's what you deserve and what you'll receive at Orange County Medical Group.
If I knew someone that needed surgery, I would tell them to go see my hero, Dr. Bayat. He's the greatest. To me, he's the greatest.